Indeed, isikhathi sakho njengamanje yena 8 o'clock smack on the dot, and as promised seyikhona ke igest yethu seqopheleni eliphezulu kuyena uPhumlani engwakamiya bathi dafu zeplaza kaJama sijahe ndawo.
Sekunjalo ayishubile 6 to 10 kanye noX Benedict Ngwenya.
Yebo, indeed it's 8 o'clock njengamanje, and as promised sesinaye ke online ke uPhumlani Miya asimazi kakhulu i-commentator laphana ke ku SuperSport. We're going to be discussing his journey nje as a commentator, his career, nokuthi ke ukhulele phi bese ke sidiscussa ne commentary at large nje as a whole. Mr. Miya, welcome to Inquisitive Stereo.
Kunjani baba?
Kuyaphileka sinje dafu eplazini kaJama sijahe ndawo.
Asixake lutho ngibingelele ke nabafethu abanye abakhona kule platform.
Bengisakhuluma ngawe ke la ukuthi uzalelwe eMacekane, wakhulela laphana ke kwesakabiyela, uyingane yes5 emndenini wakho. Mhlawumbe ungasitshela kabanzi ngokuthi kwakwenzakalani ukuthi ungwes5 kubazali bakho, kwaba wena owasurvive ezingane wagcina ukhulela esigodini sakwesakabiyela. Phela kwesakabiyela ngiyazi laphana kuneyindawo njengobuko olumehla amancane olwabuka inhlanga yafa, kodwa unozalelwe kakhulu eMacekane. Can you please tell us more about that story?
Ndoda. Yabona manje ngathi ubani osekuthela indaba ekuthule kanjena ndoda.
Phela basenza interview kumele siqale research eqala.
No, but into eyenzeka laphana na Athami ukuthi when I grew up kwi-area la itime ubaba besuka endaweni okuthiwa kwa I think igama lendawo eMnambithi. So uma isuka eMnambithi ubaba kwaba ne-problem nje ukuthi naye yazi ngizokutshela istory. Ubaba was a fifth, nami was the fifth born, and then his brothers were killed because babe ngamaciko beshaya ingoma eMnambithi. So when abebulawa ke ubaba had i-trauma, so to say. Abesethi no, what I need to do, gogo uthe ubaba esethu eThekwini wafika waphuka umlenze washayiswa imoto. Phuka ubaba waphuka umlenze wakwara. Then there was this thing ngizo accident funds nani ngaleso sikhathi indiye elithile lambambele eduze. Cabanga that thing, it was 1958-57 uma ixoxa ubaba. So 1955 ke so le time ake mayilimala ke lapho ubaba mayilimala ubaba abese kuba nokuthi ke manje leli indiya ke limgade endlela thizeni aqhubeke ugogo afike la mayefika ugogo wayokuka wasebenza eplazini. Ngibuka ngizwa ngithi dafu eplazini likaJama wasebenza eplazini ugogo up until athola indawo ke eMacekane ke nearest ahlale khona ke. So ubaba usesele nje kukhulwe ke ugogo usenokuyobona ubaba esibhedlela. Hayi ngihlale nami lapho siphinde abe nabantwana abathatha intombi yakwaMpanza, fifth born nami khona ngilamayo wesithupha. They all passed on, ngasala ngingedwa. Well, ukumuva kwami ngeke sakwabiyela ngimuve because kwase kune challenge ukuthi kule ndawo besihlala kuyona uma awumukelwa. So ubaba didn't want me to see the pain ayeba nayo yokuthi akayena umuntu wayebizwa ngesifiki, mhlawumbe abizwe ngeshangane. And this thing isekhona nakumina, it's a stigma. I'll tell you, even ngoba ngenza lento yebhola la eMacekane ngabi yakhula, it's because ngeke ikhule ngoba yenziwa isifiki. So that is how I moved to Kabiyela. Ngahlala kwamama omdala ke ngafunda inkani nokuyisa nje wangisa. And then umuntu wangifundisa esahlala naye nje kakhulu isikhathi was ugogo uManzunza okwakugane khona umamdala. So actually ugogo uManzunza was wayeciko lwagogo wagogo inkulumo eyishushumbisa ebhinqana. Njengoba la ungizwayo ngelesitayela sokwenza njengoba ungizwa noma ngisakaza ngiyeka mntana shiya into zabantu abadala kothenga abantu abanamaduku kwakuyizaga zakho. And then I just got interested to this, and then ngaba nenhlahla kwakukhona omunye umalume lapho kuthiwa uJosiah wayeyinduna inkosi uNdlovedlofakazi. I then started ukulalela amacala ke ngihambe ngiye laphana, and the current king khona njengamanje uChade kaMjololo umphephethu wenduku zabafa. So we were the same age, although he was a bit older than me. Then ngilalele lamacala, I could learn things yabo. I was not a good footballer, so siyazana nje, I'm not a good footballer. So ngiyalusa mangilusa la, it's about 34 inkomo. I remember when I got there 1982, and I'm like, okay, I'm 7 years, lo baba lo uShando nginika 34 uthi hayi uzobona ngakho indoda la. Indoda ngazi ngiluse bengikha amanzi lapha eMacekane, ayikho nje lento yokwelusa yo ndoda hayi. Then ke ngazama ngakhula hayi kwaba khona abafana bakwaQwabe man ekhona ngeke ngimkhohlwa lo indaba yakhe sashona indaba yakho uphendukani hey angi ngashawa lapha ngashawa yazi ngishayela ukuthi nje ngilusile ngedwa then elizweni ngaqala nalenhliziyo embi ngaqala ke manje ngathola ngafuna into manje ezokwazi ukuthi ingisuse kubantu and I got interested angibe ne radio uma ngelusile qala lapho ke interest yokusakaza ke angeke ngichaze ukuthi kwenzakalani because ukuthi noma ngilalela i-radio kwawo it's like ngiyababona laba bantu and ngiyababona then that is where I got to where I am.
Ukwazi kwakho about ama current affairs nokwazi kwakho about ama current affairs nokwazi kwakho about ibhola nezinto nje ezenzakala emhlabeni jikelele khona ubaba la owake wamcredita ukuthi wayehambe eThekwini ebuye nama magazines and then emva kwalokho uzogcina ke nawe usufunda ama magazines ubone kwenzakala nebholeni kwenzakalani kwipolitiki kwenzakalani ku-entertainment and the current affairs konje yes
yo lapho ke what happened was lo baba engangihlala kuwe kwaku-Andreas umduduleni uSimundamunda odli ney'ngane ey'phangela so what happened uSimundamunda was working in Durban so ma efika-ke uyazi i-newspaper i-toilet paper emakhaya I hope angibekanga kahle
I know beke kahle impela khuluma nje impela
yeah so and then lo baba ma efika lamaphepha ayisitaki indoda usebenza kwa-Mercury usebenza e-Blue Ribbon unomngani wakhe osebenza kwa-Mercury vele kufika ibundle. And into engihlekisa ngala maphepha was it's like why walethele mina I don't know he will bring ngokulandelana kwawo angithi liphuma ngomsombuluko liphume ngolwesini ilanga langolwesini la ngomsombuluko kube Sunday Tribune kube iNatal on Saturday then la ngabona khona okwena into then you know I got so fascinated about yonke lento ke hey ndoda ke qala ke manje into engiyifunde ngapha eRedweni ngizwa ngapha sengifunde ephepheni although isi backdated isi backdated kodwa inkinga phela it's information sengiyakwazi ukulinka manje ukuthi okay i-radio izonginika a contemporary thing then even though it was contemporary sengiyazi ukuthi mina ngizohlehla ngibuyele emuva sengiqhathanisa ukuthi lokhu kwenzeka kanje up until nami mangithola imali I would say awungithengela isoccer khona ibhuku kwakuthiwa isoccer so unfortunately ungazi ukuthi ngingagcina ngila you know what all those papers agcwala endlini ababaningi nami ngiqala ukuqonywa yafika intombi yami yawathi hey ngicabanga le ntombi le yazi
yes fortunately enough for me umalume wami bethanda yona isoccer yayibhala uRichard Maguire waye-editor yayo but then kube khona i-kick off ku-Mark Gleason but ngisenawo aka 94 93 kuza ngapha nje kuboma 98 ngisenawo mina fortunately enough for me yo manje wayenza njani intombi yakho lena elahla amaphepha wayenza
I think that is how I got this information
nithi intombi le wayenza njani noma sesiphuma esihlokweni wayenza njani intombi lelahla amaphepha
phela cha nokho phela sasakhula mfana uma usaqala phela mfana ibakhona i-practice match bakhona i-practice match bese okay ke asedlule
alright hayi asedlule singangeni kakhulu entombini mangithola la ngathi uke wathi ukuthi nje qhu kancane ngapha evarsity hayi kancane uthe qhu ngapha evarsity eLokhuzeni ngapha eGauteng
yabona ke ijeni ke ngizokutshela ijeni yesigele iyahlekisa 87 lo baba lo wase Blue Ribbon uya retire my retire I know what resign akaretire wa resign because umamdala wayegana esithenjini so there was a boy by the name Hlanganani so uHlanganani mina njengebrazo phela sekufanele sigele ngimlwela izinto indoda I did an amazing thing lapha ngakhokhisa umfana kwaMlawi imali indoda indoda that was being bullied ndoda afike lo mfana mfethu lethe u10 rand ukuthi ushaye lo mfana mhlawumbe ulethe once a month yabanjwa lento mayibanjwa ngaxoshwa ke ngoba kwakuyinto nje ingajwayelekile mangangixoshwa esigele ngenhlahla umama waye umem esibululwane yabona sengisuka kwesawabiyela sengihlala esibululwane from esibululwane kwaSokhulu then I understand manje culture yakwaSokhulu from kwaSokhulu ngibuye ngize ekhaya eMacikane athi ubhuti omdala who was a teacher wayefunde eSikhawini College of Education athi no man what will happen is angifuni lona ahlale la athenga umuzi eSikhawini Ngwelezi elokishini. Then I went and stayed eSikhaweni. Mangihlele eSikhaweni athi I don't want you to angifuni ufunde la because uyaganga ufuna ube busy. Wangifundisa eMatshana. Tell mangifunde eMatshana athi yabo manje yabo into yami nje iyahlakazeka nje manje. And lento ingisizile because ngifunde ukuadapta to any culture as quick as I can. Then I moved to so sengisuka eSikhaweni ngiya eMatshana. Esikhaweni eMatshana ngivakashe eMacekane. Then ngenhlahla kube nesikole sasivulwa Tyson Technical High School. Your story is our story. Ngomsombuluko ngizobe ngiphethe lo principal Mr Leroux who will then be explaining because ngifuna ukuchaza iground lalapho ukuthi laqala kanjani nani. Okay, the outle lo mase uIbrazo ke so sengiyafunda sengihlala eSikhaweni. Ngiqeda eSikhaweni endoda ngifunde Technical High School. Hayi ngiphase kube right. Kucace kune physical education kunani uKevin Part was a Natal Sharks player by no Stuart Gamble kungaleso sikhathi iNatal Sharks ithatha ama players from New Zealand. Stuart Gamble that I remember naye uKevin Part became my physical education teacher. It was then everything la yaqala khona yavuleka, and there was Kenny Anderson. May his soul rest in peace. Kenny Anderson, who actually taught me exactly manje, who developed the passion of becoming a physical education teacher rather than being a technical high school. Okay, siphumeke sitholele umsebenzi ngoba ma apprentice ayikucaca ukuthi my blood is not there. From there ngiresign kwaBell from ngangisebenza kwaBell Equipment. Ngiresign kwaBell ngiye eUniversity of Zululand. Ngithi ngise University of Zululand, mind you I'm a good runner mfethu. Ngiresign, I'm a good runner. Ngifike eUniversity of Zululand, I stayed 1 year. Ngathi uma ngifika ngihlala for 1 year eUniversity of Zululand kwaba ne cross country which was ran ePretoria. Hey yazi leli bhuno ukuthi uOmpiti namanje la vele la ngithanda nje because what happened kwakufuneka umuntu wayengakwazi ukutranslate iAfrikaans. Ngasuma ngathi I can do it. Ngatranslate hayi lagcwala ngami ibhunu. Ngayibona sengine registration fee because I remember I left at home with one bag. Ngathi ngiyobona phambili. Wantshela nokuthi kwakusekhona lento kwakusathiwa uTepsa ngaleso sikhathi. La ngithembisa uTepsa leli bhunu la ngikhokhela ama registration ngahlala. Then while I was studying this sports thing so ngijwayele ukubuka iSuperSport ijima laphana 2002 ngiyobuka iSuperSport recent ngesikhathi kade ngixosha uBruce Krobla. Then is when I met aboKaitela noThembo. I met laba bantu laba olokhuza oPitso Mosimane, the late Shintsha Madekhache, then nabo Stanley Matthews. Isiyakutshela manje ngithi Stanley Matthews unokwenza neSuperSport as a channel. Isiyakutshela manje ukuthi ngifika kanjani manje eSuperSport. Then ngiyakhula lapho and athu Pitso atshele the sports officer uRex Max Mashiko athi hey, there is an amazing guy lapha. That guy is a runner but football money encyclopedia leyana. Hayi ngangiqashwa njalo as a kit manager. Nalahleka ke iEJS lesikole laphana. Ndoda I saved uRex Max Mashiko imali eningi. Rex, yabonga Rex. Then uRex Max mfethu wangiqasha ngasebenza, worked with Floyd Mbele. Although ngangingekho close to uFloyd, but uFloyd for him to run a training session he had to start with me. Asho ukuthi udinga nani kube clean okwami babe no kit wakhe and mina to collect. Yaqala lapho le interest yebhola ke. Then iSuperSport 2007 kwakune guy kwakuthiwa uSiboniso Khanyile, and they were running a show babe shoota ishow yama Tsatsanta show ngaleso sikhathi basenama Tuesday what sengiyamtshela ngithi yazi nina you can't be able to do this thing nesiZulu kanje abo share ama idea and this guy took it up ngenza demo nami. Unfortunately 2006 lashona itime akwamele ngisuke from Pretoria ngize ekhaya ngoba ngihlala ekhaya namanje uyabona nje nawe mase ngihlezi la ekhaya. What happened was in 2007 iSuperSport win ama rights. After they won those rights, then commentators were ayedingeka ngathola preference thanks to uSifiso